Hi everyone, today I have got a dual port charger from Ambrane. Now this is a 20 watt charger that is capable of outputting via USB-A and USB-C ports. The USB-A port outputs Qualcomm quick charge while the USB-C supports USB power delivery. Some features are written on the side of the box. This is common for every other chargers. Now this is saying 20 watt boosted speed, but I didn't think there's any boost in the speed compared to other chargers. There's also a small user manual inside the case, so let's keep that to the side and check out our main product. This is the Ambrane dual port charger. I have ordered a black color version. There's also a white color version. The specifications of the charger are written underneath it. This model is Ambrane WAP H11. Even though this is a fast charger, if your phone does not support fast charging, this adapter can also charge it at normal speeds. Now, to use USB power delivery, you need a USB-C to USB-C cable. I have one from Flix, and any of them should work fine as long as it have data lines. And this cable specifically says it has PD support. USBPD is a fast charging standard that is supported by Apple, Google, Sony and other smartphones. It is also widely used in modern laptops like the MacBook. So I'm using a Sony Xperia to test the fast charging capability of the charger. As you can see, the time is 10:22 and the remaining battery is 11%. It just says charging. There's no fast charging indicator, but it's because of the smartphone, not because of the charger. Let's wait some time and see how fast it charges. Okay, just after 5 minutes, the battery has been boosted to 20%. That means it charges around 9% in 5 minutes. I have also done some testing with this charger before recording of this video, and with my smartphone, 0 to 50% takes about half an hour, 0 to 70% takes about 40 minutes, and then 0 to 100% take about 1.5 hours. After 70%, the charging speed is become significantly lower due to the USB power delivery standard. I can't find any smaller chargers that support 20 watts at this price point. That's our unboxing and review about the Ambrane dual port charger. Thanks for watching.